Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How you doing? How you guys doing? I'm so excited to be back on the channel, and I have another Love Me Hair unboxing for you queens because I see you guys like my wig reviews. Okay, and shout out to the queens who's been shopping. I've been getting my notifications that y'all been shopping on the website, so thank you so much for shopping, and I hope you're loving your units that you're purchasing. So today I'm going to review my beautiful Love Me Hair unit that I got as a treat to myself for my birthday. And by the way, thank you guys to those of you that sent me birthday wishes. I appreciate you all so much. It was a beautiful day. I made sure I stayed in joy throughout the whole day. Yes, missing my mom, thinking of my mom, but I danced a lot, you know, because that's a tradition she and I had. We'd always dance together on our birthdays and just, you know, have a good time. So I did that. I did that because I knew she'd want me to do that. So I made sure I was in joy. Okay, I didn't let any kind of sadness or grief come over me. So I was very grateful for that day. And of course, I danced with my children and my husband, as you guys saw the video of my husband and I dancing. So super grateful. But anyway, this is the Love Me Hair unit that I got from their website. It was I forget what they call it. It was like a special offer thing. If it's still on the website, I will find the link and I'll put it. But if not, I'll just, you know, have my link in the bottom. You can go, you know, look for anything similar that because they have a lot of beautiful units on their website. So let's see. So this is a beautiful, you know, brown. I picked this one because of the color. Okay, I said, oh, I don't have a color. Well, I kind of do have a wig that has this color, but it's not something I've been wearing much of. But I liked it. I like the length of it. I love the color pattern and everything. So let's try it on, shall we? Okay, do we see? Look at that length. I love the shoulder length of it. I love the color. This was what I wore for my birthday. Yes, it was, honey, because I said, you know. Ooh, I'm gonna take a little mousse from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. I like their mousse, so when they restocked, I was able to snag some. So I'm just gonna put a bit of mousse over here just to try to tame some of those flyaways. I probably should get one of those what are they called? Hold sticks, something sticks. Anyway, I don't have that, so I probably should get that. So there she is. Let's see, where's the lace? So the lace is from here to here. So just going to, when I get my units, I don't always comb out the whole curls immediately. I kind of like to leave it intact for a bit. So if you notice when I do my videos, I don't really comb it all out at once because I like to have the original curl, you know, the way it came, last as long as possible because they curl it so well. Do you know what I mean? They curl it so well. So yes, the side part, again, the description will be on the screen of what it is. You can definitely go on the website and check it out. But I want to show you guys this fantastic tool I've been using and loving and I'm obsessed with. This is the Pretty Home Automatic Iron Curler. I love this. I bought this myself from TikTok, on the TikTok shop. And of course the link will be right there. You've probably seen my shorts with it where I used it, you know, and I did do a video with my hubby. You know what I mean? He makes me laugh so much. But anyway, I love this tool because it's super easy. It's automatic. It's burn proof, ladies. It's burn proof because raise your hands if you have accidentally burnt yourself while you're curling your hair, because I have. Raise your hands if you've burnt your face when you're curling your hair, because I have. So what sold me on this is the fact that you can grab it like this even when it's nice and hot and you will not get burnt. It looks like a little teddy bear. I don't know if the lighting will let you guys see it, but all you do is press down. All right, and then you give it 2 more presses if you want to go all the way to 200. So I'm just going to demo this because I did see someone commented on one of my videos that she did not see how I got it in the barrel. So I said, okay, when next I do a review, I will, you know, demo this so you all can see it. So you take it just like this and you see the barrel has an opening right there, right there. This is where you put the hair through. Okay, you just put your hair through just like that. All right. And then you pull it down to the side, and then it has 2 buttons on the side which you can rotate. And once you've got it all, you just let it go. And it's going to curl and do its thing, and when it's done, it'll beep. So it'll let you know when it's done. So we'll just, yeah, did you guys hear the beep? So once it beeps, hopefully it's hot enough. Let's see. All you do is pull it off. And do you see that? And yes, you can get as close as you're comfortable with. Again, remember that even if it touches your face, it's not going to burn. All right. Another thing I love about it is that even if it gets messy, like sometimes, you may not get a perfect, curl, like the hair doesn't get in the barrel perfectly. It still finds a way as it spins to get all the hair in there, and you just sit and let it do its thing. And then, it beeps, which I'm sure you heard, and you take it out. So that's a better curl. Okay, just like that. All right, so that's a fantastic pretty home. If you're looking for something to curl your hair, especially if you're like, we're on a trip, on travel, whatever, you want to get a quick curl without spending too many hours. Okay, I remember one night when I was going, getting ready to go for my trip, I had, I think, 2 units I wanted to take on that trip, 2 units, and I was up for hours and hours curling. Yeah, it was interesting. So this way I don't have to, it's beeped, but with this way I don't have to, stress my wrist. It just does everything and you're good to go. Just like so. Okay, so that's the pretty home. All right, check it out. It will be in the description box. Actually, you know what? I am going to comb this out a little bit, just a little bit. You know the reason why I love Luvme Hair? I love Luvme Hair because they come styled, okay? Like, I love that feeling when I get a new unit and it's already styled, already cut, all the things. And all I need to do is get my makeup on, and prop it on. There you go. There. Let me, I did this for y'all, okay? Let me do this for you guys so you guys can see the lusciousness of this unit. Okay, the unit has got me all in my feelings. Okay, and that's her coat teased out a bit. Okay, I won't do any more than this because again, I like to keep the curl for as long as possible before I have to, recurl the whole thing. But that's the hair, you guys. What do we think? Again, click the link if you haven't already. Register, sign up. Yes, I would definitely encourage you to create an account there. And put in your birthday, because listen, they be giving all kinds of gift cards, all kinds of discounts. There's always something going on. So, you may not shop immediately, but there will always be some deals somewhere, somehow. And you get to snag and treat yourself. So I love my units. I love my wigs. Yes, I'm a wig girly through and through. Wigs have saved my life since I've been in this country because they help with protective styling, especially during the winter, being that we have such long winters here in Vermont. Ooh, child, such long winters. And my hair is natural and it gets to stay protected, okay? I do take care of it as much as I can. As much as I can. You know what I'm saying? So I love their wigs. So let me know what you think about this unit. If you love it, double tap the screen. If you haven't tried the unit, check it out and let me know what you think. Again, thank you to those of you who have been shopping, and I hope you're loving your units. If you enjoyed the video today, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And turn on your notification button so that you get notified every time I upload. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.